awesome toys to play with. Joining us today are the PJ Masks. We have Gekko, Luna Girl, Catboy, Owlette, and Romeo. Our first toy is a car wash. The cars go through here to get washed. Then they go up this elevator, slide down the ramp to drive. Oh, here's our car. It's cool. It's red and it has a number 5. Okay, the car is ready to be washed. All right, up the elevator we go. What's that, PJ Masks? You need your car's drive? Well, let's have them go down the ramp. Your car is first, Owlette. This is Owlette's red car. Now Catboy's blue car. You're up next, Gekko. Gekko's green car. Yellow car. Orange car. Let's do all at once. Oh, what's that, Sheriff? You want to try the ramp as well? Let's try some marbles. Are you guys ready to block the marbles? Now let's play with this toy. This one is fun because it has an activity on each side. First, let's try this one. This is a shape sorter. This is a yellow star and it has a sun. The star goes right here. This is a red square with a cute turtle. Let's put it here. This is a purple circle with the frog. Let's see, where does it go? It goes there. There's 2 shapes left. Let's try the orange triangle. It has a bunny. It fits perfectly right here. Last, we have this blue heart with a butterfly. Where does it go? On this side, we have a number wall with a drop-down bear. Hey, where's the bear? Here it is. Are you ready to drop down, little bear? Ready, set, go. On this side, there's a spiral wall with the rolling rattle. Here's the rattle. Let's try it out. Whoa, that was awesome! Finally, on this side is the race ramp. There's our racer! This car is so cool. It flips on each side. Okay, go! That's it, guys. guys. I had lots of fun making this video. See you next time. Bye bye.